Hello and welcome to WASP3D feature tutorial. The Archive tab within the Drone Designer takes care of archiving entire scenes or templates, packaging all scene data along with resource information used from third-party application, to be shared via email or over FTP connections. The same GUI also provides one-click access to an Unarchive feature, making it that much simpler to share ideas or receive support. Let's show you how. Go to the Archive tab. Now, select Archive from Radio button. The templates are saved on the kernel controller. Now, select the file or the folder from WASP Loader folder and press greater than button to add them to Archive. Users can add single template or entire folder to an archive. Subfolders will be added, on adding the main folder. Press lesser than button, to remove file or the folder. We now assign archive name. Next, select destination folder to save the .arch file. Check on assets which need to be archived. Now, press Archive button, to start archiving process. A message box will appear after archiving process is complete. Click OK to continue. A log dialog box will show missing files or folders in red and the copied in green. Similarly, users can also archive scenes. Scenes are saved locally on a machine or on a network drive. Select scenes or folders to be archived and press greater than button to add them to the archive. Next, define name destination folder for the archive. If we check off an asset, it will not become part of the archive. For example, textures are not included in this .arch file. Again, from the Archive tab, select Unarchive. Browse the .arch file. Then, select the arch file to unarchive. Users can add single templates or an entire folder to unarchive. A new destination folder can be assigned for assets at the time of unarchiving. If no specific directory is specified, assets will go to its default location. For example, we have changed the location for scenes. All other assets will go to its default location. That is, the same location present in templates or scenes. Now, press Unarchive button, to start unarchiving process. A confirmation message box will appear for pre-existing assets. Click Apply to All and Overwrite action to continue. A message box will appear after unarchiving process is complete. Click OK to continue. A log dialog box will show assets missing in archive in red and the copied ones in green. Now, go to New Location folder, to see the Unarchive scene. Similarly, users can unarchive templates. Select .arch file, for unarchiving templates. Select templates or folders to be unarchived and press greater than button to add them to Unarchive. A confirmation message box will appear for pre-existing textures. Click Apply to All and Overwrite action to continue. A message box will appear for UDTs and templates. Click OK to update and cancel to ignore. A message box will appear after unarchiving process is complete. Click OK to continue. A log dialog box will show missing assets in red and the copied in green. Go to File menu. Select Archive and then select Archive Current Scene. Define Name Destination folder, to save .arch file. Check on Assets to include in .arch file and click Archive button. Finally, a log dialog box will show list of missing and copied assets in the .arch file.